Hey guys, it's Hannah Sky here from Sweetener. My first tutorial in quite a long time has been poorly, and I do apologise if I sound a bit out of breath after a while. So today's tutorial is pretty simple. We're going with display name, as you can see here, and how to do your own custom font. This is using like dafont as your place to download the font from. So it's super straight simple. So I have presented you with a code or with coding and how to import this basically into your own into your own style sheet. I am using Dropbox as my place for the downloads or to upload my file because I find this a lot easier than using other places, but you can use Mediafire, you can use other hosting websites if you feel you need to. So what you have to do, and I do apologise because I just got rid of the font that I was using. So bear with me one moment. So I've now found the font that I've used, and it's called Almost Lonely. So what you have to do is you have to click download, and then once you've downloaded it, naturally it goes into a zip file. So when you go onto zip files, which is like this one, you just right click on it, click extract here, and then you'll get your TTF or whatever file it may be. So once you've done that, you then go onto Dropbox, and you upload it. And then once it's uploaded, you then right click on it. Oh, no you don't. You click the share button, and then it will say generate, and then you click the copy link, which is this little link down here. Then when you go into your codes, you just paste in here. Now as you can see, you can probably tell that I've got a different bit in the middle. In order to get a direct download of that file, you have to replace the Dropbox link, so the www.dropbox link that you see in my file here, wherever I've just put it. If I just paste that a minute, you'll know what I mean. So you have to replace this bit, www.dropbox.com, and you have to replace it with the dl.dropboxusercontent.com. That means it's a direct download, and that makes it easier for the codings, the CSS, to realize that is the file. And then when you use it, just copy and paste the font name, obviously because of how I've coded it, because I don't know what font you're using. You just put the font name in there. So in this case, it's called Almost Lonely. So I literally just replace that and put Almost Only. And then when you go down to where it is, I've put under cake. You can just type it in, or you can just paste it as Almost Lonely, or whatever font name it is, and then click Save Changes, and it will become this font. I would just change it back so you can see that it does work. Because if I got rid of this, it wouldn't work. It would be a standard font. As you can see, it's gone automatically to Georgia. So you can see that by importing it this way, it works. You don't need to include these if you don't wish to, they're just standard. You can change the styling and the text inside your div elements if you want to, or div, whatever you want to call them, div sections. So I hope that makes sense. I have included the link for my Dropbox, or the paste bin, in my description. I've also put on there about changing the Dropbox link. And you can use this with any font under font. You can use it on any font websites. So I hope this makes sense. And if there are any questions, then please do drop me a comment in the comment blocks below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you've got any urgent problems, then please do not hesitate to contact me. I am a little bit on a hiatus at the moment due to the medical conditions and illnesses. Obviously, I'm not very well. So feel free to contact me on Discord, which will also be in the link in the description below. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you do find it helpful. And thank you for watching.